left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. By the end of the road. So I walk and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. As I walk and I keep on walking, till I'm at the end of the road. Till my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further, 'cause I can't keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful not to get stuck, and so I walk and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. As I walk and I keep on walking, till I'm at the end of the road.
All right, guys, we are here at the Holiday Inn and Express Suites, whatever it's called, here in Jacksonville on Blunt Island. And of course, you know, this is where we're staying at before we go on the big boat to get on that cruise ship, the Carnival Elation. We're doing that tomorrow. But today, we're staying here and we're gonna have a good time. But look, before we do that, let's do a little room tour, all right? Room 321. The Holiday Inn. Use the key card to get in. There's Miss Alma. There's Miss Angela. Of course, all right. As soon as you come in to your right, you got an ironing board and iron. Evacuation plan right there on the back of the door. Let's pan around. Here we've got a microwave, a coffee maker, a Keurig, no less. Of course, you got our little bar set up here with a mini fridge. Pan on around to our left, we've got the bathroom. Miss Sam's already got some of her toiletries out. It looks like we've got plenty of towels and soap and shampoo, lotion, something going on there, towels. Ah, yeah. You know, if I turned the light on, I could see, but, you know, what am I thinking? It's crazy, ain't it? Jeez, look at that. Don't that make it that much better? Oh, Lord. All right, let's continue on into the room here. Of course, we've got a little seating area right here, a little desk, another full-size mirror. This one's got 2 queen beds in it. A couple little seating area there. Little place for the thing. What's that thing called?
Luggage.
Luggage. Of course, here's a little closet to put things in. Some extra cover. Got a couple of drawers down there. And of course, that's it, ain't it? Looks like a doggone winter to me. Got it, guys and gals. That's our room, 321. We're staying here before we get on the big boat tomorrow. Well, maybe, just maybe, if I get up early enough, we'll go eat some breakfast in the morning. We can show part of that too while we're here. Machines on floor number 2. All right, guys and gals, not only is the ice machine in here, but you also got the guest laundry. I mean, looky here. It's like $250. It's like $250 for a load of clothes. Got a washer, you got a dryer. Of quarters only. Yeah, check this out. Can't make a BSK unless you got some ice. That's the shit right there. Woo!